Attention, COMELEC. Let me remind you that you are the principal government agency designed to be constitutionally independent from the executive, legislative, and judicial to assure the conduct of free, fair, and honest election. Now, we have heard many suspicious issues from your agency. Let's keep in mind that the money that they were given to you does not come from the president. That is coming from the people of the Philippines. Sumahiya kayo sa bayan. Do your job with integrity, credibility, and honesty to the people and to the country. Do your job as a trusted government agency in terms of credibility, liability, and trustworthy. As an independent government agency with the principles of the democratic country form of government, please show your sympathy and empathy to our people and to the country. Remember, God is always watching us. Don't let Him to punish your loved ones because of your wicked interest. And I promised you, you must pay for that matter.